Good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome back to the computer science class. Today we will learn how to turn off a computer. In our previous class, we learned about the turning on a computer. Now we will see how to turn off a computer step by step. Turning off the computer. Just like there is a procedure for switching on a computer, there is also a step-by-step procedure to turn it off. Children, in our previous class, as we saw that there are some steps to switch on the computer. Like that, there are some steps to switch off the computer or shut down the computer. Let's start. Step 1. Click on Start button. The Start menu will appear. Step 2. Click on Shut down. Windows shuts down and turn off the computer. Now, step 3 is switch off the monitor's power button to turn off the monitor. Step 4. Switch off the UPS button. As you will switch off the monitor's power button, you have to switch off the UPS power button also. Okay. Now the next step is switch off the main power from the electric board. We have to switch off the main power button also. Children, sometimes some people are in hurry, so what they will do, they are just switching off the main power button directly, which is very much incorrect. Okay, we have to follow the steps to switch on and switch off the computer. Now Lappy is going to tell us something. Let's see. These are the steps that you should always follow to switch on or off a computer. Now get up and let us go to the computer room to try this. Children, in the blue color something is written. Oh, what is this? Never switch off the computer directly. Yes, if you switch off your computer directly, what will happen? Slowly your system will be affected. We cannot recognize it in once, but if we will not shut down it properly, then again when you want to use the system, it will take more time to switch on, or sometimes it will hang, sometimes it will become very slow. When you click to open any page, it will take more time. So that's why we should always follow the steps to switch on or switch off a computer. Dear children, now we will do the exercise. Tick the correct answer. Computer is a dash made machine. Man, God, animal. Yes, it's a man-made machine. Dash desktop appears after typing the password. Welcome desktop appears after typing the password. Computer should be turned dash after completing any work. Computer should be turned off after completing any work. Match the picture of column A with the steps for turning on the computer in column B. One has done for you. Step 1. Turn on the power switch from the board. Step 2. Turn on UPS. Then switch on CPU. Then switch on monitor. Then welcome screen. And then desktop screen. Now the next one is complete the steps to turn off the computer. First one, click on Start button. START. Click on Shutdown. SHUT. Shutdown. DOWN. Switch off the monitor. MONITOR. Next, switch off the UPS. UPS. Switch off the main power from electric board. Main. 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 Power. POWER. Write T for true or F for false statements. Children, we will write the complete word. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. True. Computers can work without electricity. False. We can switch off the computer directly. False. Thank you so much, children. Have a great day. We will meet in our next class. Bye-bye.